I just found the screen recorder that's about to kill Loom's business model. Click the link in the description to grab this lifetime deal before it's gone. If you're tired of subscription fees eating away at your budget every month, you're going to love this. ScreenToVideo isn't just another screen recorder. It's a complete video creation studio for Windows users. For a one-time payment of just $59, you get lifetime access. No monthly fees, no annual renewals. Just pay once and you're set for life. What makes ScreenToVideo special? You can record your full screen, specific windows, or custom areas with just a few clicks. Turn your screen into a digital whiteboard with dynamic sketching tools. Need a voiceover but hate the sound of your own voice? The Google Text-to-Speech integration has got your back. The advanced editing suite includes text overlays, video effects, audio normalization, captions, everything you need without needing a film degree. And unlike Loom or Camtasia, which keep charging you until the end of time, ScreenToVideo includes lifetime customer support and free future updates. Whether you're a content creator, course developer, or running a small business, this is your new best friend. For just $59, less than most tools charge for a few months, you get unlimited access forever. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Don't miss out. Click the link below to get your ScreenToVideo lifetime deal today. Your wallet will thank you, and so will your future self.